Hey everybody, Rider of the Storm here. Just getting set up for another day. Another day, another ride here in Texas. Today we're going to talk about some of the things I do when I get dressed. These are, hockey rollerblade guards here. Now this piece broke off from inside here. What do you do when it breaks off? Throw it away. What I do when these start to break and get deformed is I just add a little Gorilla Tape to the area that is a problem. Now I have some friends, and one of them's from the military, and he said, if you have a torn shoulder or torn ligament, the cure-all is Gorilla Tape. And that's really awesome. I think that was pretty amazing. As sad and funny as that is, wow, Gorilla Tape. Now, here's the other thing about these is you see as they fold, the material folds inside. And that's a bit of a design flaw. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and snip it. So here's how it's folding. You can see it's folding on the inside. I'm just going to take it and snip it. Cut it a little bit further there, so it doesn't fold so much, and the material just moves past itself. So that gives you a better kind of a depth there. There we go. The material is now moving past itself without folding. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do that with this pair here. So that's going to make a nice little short video for you folks that are deciding to turn serious. Now, what makes a person serious about their riding? For starters, not having a job. And being an athlete your whole life. For me, I was a sponsored athlete for 30 years. I was organized with other folks, and I've got pins and awards and all kinds of things like that. But now I ride. Now, as part of that, I've got nothing on but my undershorts. Now, I'm wearing spandex today because I'm from Texas. Okay, figure 4. Slide on your knee armor, right? So you need your knee armor right there. Figure 4 again. Figure 4 meaning your ankle over your other knee. Slide on your other armor. Okay, there we go. Now, this is duct taped. This is not going to break. So, if you've got brand new knee armor, and I wear light armor, make sure that you Gorilla Tape it before you use it. Otherwise, you'll come home and your armor will be in 2 pieces. Alright. Now, don't forget to snip it too if it's not folding correctly. These things, they come out of a machine, and people slap them together and put them on sale at the store. They don't know any better. So, if you have to cut them so they fold correctly. Now, next thing, pants on before your shoes, always. We've known that since kindergarten. But people don't always think about armor first. I used to drop my pants to my ankles and then put on my armor, but that isn't the best because to me it's just a waste of time. I keep my armor strapped on and taped together so that I just slip it on and I'm good to go. Now, I'm not going to pull my pants up and zip them up. That is just another pain in the ass and waste of time, especially for us Americans who are a little overweight because we eat a lot of cheese. Okay, yes, blame it on the dairy farmers. Cheese, gotta have cheese. Okay, now, there's a boot. I'm going to see if I can change the angle a little bit so you can see what's going on there. That's a big damn boot. Now, the boot is fully open. All the buckles are undone. I'm going going to slip the boot on. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tuck the pants in. I'm going to try and show you this. Back that off a little bit. Okay, so there's the pants, right? What you want to do is get it past this inner liner here. And then what I like to do, and everybody's different, I fold it over once. Otherwise you get a big buckle inside there, and that's going to irritate your skin. Now, the next thing I do is I Velcro the top. Then I take the tongues, which are behind the buckles, and I slip them in under this layer of leather. Then what I'll do is I'll take one of the middle buckles. Now, some people say, oh, you gotta do the bottom first. Middle buckle for me. Because for me, that's easier. Everybody's different. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to make sure the bottom buckle has been pushed in far enough, does not cause the boot to fold up underneath the buckle. Then I'm going to take the next buckle up, do that one. The squeaky sounds right. Now you got to check the squeaky part. If it sounds right, then your boot's on correctly. If it's really noisy, if you get creak, maybe the boot is folded under on the inside, and you need to redo that. Now, this is really hard to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the boot apart, re-Velcro it. Now that's easy. Wow, who would have thought of that? Well, this guy, Christopher Thunder, has been putting on boots like this for 30 years. Oh my gosh, that's a long time. So, that's my lesson today for your armor. Don't forget to pull up your pants and buckle them. Otherwise you're going to look stupid riding with your pants down around your knees. So that's your tip today for your guards. Make sure that you tape your guards. Don't just rely on the Velcro, because I've had my Velcro pop inside my pants, and boy, that's hard to get at when you're riding. Tape them up. This is not Gorilla Tape, but this thinner, lighter tape works great. It's 3M tape. So Gorilla Tape for the outside, and for anything that's against your skin, try using the lighter, less sticky 3M tape. Thanks again, and have a great day from Rider of the Storm.